This is an honest review of the NIDOO 14-inch laptop sleep case. I bought this laptop sleep case because I need something to protect my laptop when we go for vacation or when we travel around. And this laptop sleeve case seems to do an excellent job in protecting my laptop. Another reason why I like about this laptop sleeve case is that this is a water-resistant material, and it also has a pocket at the front where you can put some cards, maybe documents. I also find that the zipper that they use for this one is made of good quality material. Now, the insides of this sleeve case is made up of smooth velvet material that will surely protect the external surface of your laptop from scratches. And it's very thick that it will protect your laptop from any accidental drops or bumps. But I find the sleeve case just thick enough to fit it in my laptop bag. But here's the bonus. They included an accessory pouch. This accessory pouch is also made of the same materials like the zipper, even the material, the waterproof material. Although the accessory pouch is not as thick as the sleeve case, but the fact that they included an accessory pouch that looks exactly as the sleeve case is great because now I have a place for the accessories that I use for my laptop, which saves me a lot of time in finding the accessory that I need, like my charger, my wireless mouse, and this accessory pouch comes in very handy, and I'm really happy that I purchased this one. So if you are looking for a laptop sleeve case, I highly recommend the NIDOO 14-inch laptop sleeve case. Thank you guys for watching.